Well, one of our huge business models are going into homes that use LP Smartside and use old masonite that were built in the 70s and 80s and early 90s. They had class action lawsuits and the homeowners didn't get them fixed, and there's just so much wood rot. And so we go in, even a home was built 15 years ago, we're going in and removing LP Smartside and going back with James Hardie fiber cement siding. The other thing, honestly, I didn't know until I really owned my own business and got into this industry is, and even working at James Hardie for 16 years, I just didn't realize woodpeckers are such a threat and they're such an issue. My company runs 3 to 5 leads every single week. We're getting calls because of woodpecker damage. So LP Smartside is highly susceptible to woodpeckers. James Hardie fiber cement's not. There's no such thing as cement peckers. So the 2 big reasons why people go with James Hardie fiber cement siding over wood. One, just the technology. Wood's gonna do what wood's always done. It rots, it warps, it swells, it doesn't take paint well, it's highly susceptible to fire, it's highly susceptible to woodpeckers. So the technology is just better. The other thing, especially in Kansas City, is woodpeckers are just wreaking havoc on wood homes. And so with James Hardie fiber cement, you just don't have to worry about that. You don't have that issue.